Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show dual apps or duplicate apps, how to choose dual Facebook Messenger, Instagram or any application on Note 50 Pro. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.